How to set daily data usage limit on your Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding on how we can set up our daily data usage limit on our Android phone. So if you're also looking on how we can do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. So for that, you need to open up your device and you can directly head over to the main settings of your Android phone. And once you're on your settings, look for connections here. And in order to set up your daily data usage, you need to turn on your mobile data. For that, you can find this option called data usage right on the mobile networks. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you will be seeing this section. So in order to get that feature, in order to set the daily data usage, you're going to go ahead and turn it on your mobile data. Once you're here, you'll be finding this option called billing cycle and data warning. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you're here, you will be finding this data limit right here. So you can just go ahead and turn it on, tap on it, and you can set up your data limit. You can type in the number, like how much GB. I've just set it up. And you can also turn on this option that says set data limit. If you turn it on, it will be turned off when the specific limit is reached. So that is it. That is how you turn on your or set up your daily data usage limit on your Android phone as well. So therefore, follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And I hope this, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.